Good day, YouTube friends, and see that steps going up there. I just finished harvesting this banana here. I climb up until right there. You can see the steps, and I'll show you as I'm going to lower down that banana cluster here. So this is how we do the harvest, because we're trying to avoid any damages. Okay, I'll pause for a while and I'll have you watch as we lower it down. So YouTube friends, it's my wife holding the phone while I'm lowering down the banana cluster there. Okay, there's music in our neighbor's house. That's the thing that I keep mentioning in my previous videos, but I don't care if there's a copyright here, since we cannot change the people around here. They're all stupid. It's a farm and they can do what they want. See, the first hand of this banana cluster, it's already ripe, turning yellow. See that one? Can you move there, man? Pause the video for a while. I think how we can eat first class though. It's fresh, right from the plant. My fingers are not twisted. Possible.
Oh, no. Okay.
Look at me.
Down.
I'm moving, going there while I'm holding the rope. Oh. Yeah. Tried it out here. Roping here like 2.5 pitches or cloud hits over bar. A little bit of mustard going. Where's the knife? How many minutes already?
3.
3. Okay. So here, your friends, you can see this banana here. Close to get rod, the 2 fingers here. But anyway, we're going to separate these hands from the cluster itself, and so our first hand, YouTube friends, this is our first hand. I think we have around 8 or 9 hands from this cluster alone, and then we're going to go out to send it to the courier's office, and this will be sent tomorrow midday. This will be transported to other province, and the customer there is waiting. Okay, YouTube friends, so you can see the banana harvest here. The way we do harvest here, it's a difficult one. Sometimes I can think of it's not worth it to climb up there, too risky, but I don't have any option. But anyway, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Want to see you all in the next episode. These are all raw video clips. See ya.